What's up, YouTube? Sean Forney here. I am over at our cabin, but one of the best things about going to our cabin is the road to get here. So living in West Virginia, I am blessed with some of the best twisty, turny roads that you could ever want. Most of them in the state of West Virginia. The governor of West Virginia had a goal by Memorial Day of 2023 to have all the roads paved and potholes patched. So that being said, we have a beautiful 20-mile road on the way to our cabin. So we all know how amazing the Raptor R is off-road. And if you're doing Baja and stuff like that, how about on-road? How about the handling of the Raptor R? Does it how does it brake? How does it go through the turns? Now, again, it is a fat slob for sure because it is a big 720 horsepower truck, but you may be surprised at just how good the Raptor R does. So stay tuned. I'm going to do a quick little video on the turns, the twists, the power, the acceleration, and braking, and all that stuff on the 2024 Raptor R with the 720 horsepower supercharged V8. So stay tuned. Everybody, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned. All right, here we go. Let's go for a ride. One of my favorite things about our cabin, although it is only 37 degrees, is that beautiful river. Absolutely breathtaking. All right, here we are. Put her in R mode. Braking isn't obviously the most amazing, but it actually does surprisingly a good job. And with the suspension in sport, it doesn't, I mean, obviously you're going to have body roll in a big truck, but it's not awful. You still have a little bit of confidence. But you know what? The exhaust sound makes it all worth it. Of course, I got somebody up here. Yeehaw. I mean, that exhaust sound almost makes you want to drive this over something else. This thing does sound pretty incredible. I am really happy with the way the supercharger one is now that I have that drop-in filter and I left the lid off. I think it sounds fantastic. Made up for a lot of missing noise. Here's one of my favorite sections. We start here, we end up there on top of the mountain. Of course. Yeehaw. Well, that's all she wrote, folks. All right, let that cart get ahead of me a little bit. A little squeaky. Yeah, as you can see, overall it does pretty well. I mean, I usually pride myself on trying to figure out those braking points on each one of my cars as I'm going through the turns and getting used to it and all that good stuff. And obviously I don't push this truck that hard because it is a big truck. It is dangerous to do that, but it surprisingly does very, very well. So not only is it an absolute animal off-road, but it also does very, very well, and I believe it holds its own for the truck. If you're comparing it truck to truck, I think this thing does a very, very good job. So if you have any questions or want to see something else about the Raptor R, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Please feel free to drop a comment below. Thank you all so much for watching.